Coat of non-skid. We're using the all grip. So how that goes is you put a light coat on initially, and I'll put another on, a wet coat, and I'll put a third coat with the particulate in it, or particle, I guess you could say, actually. The non-skid particle, and I'll give that a good coat with that, and then I will seal it up one more time with one more coat without any non-skid in it. The idea being that as it ages, it won't go through and cause the non-skid particle to come off the surface. That's the idea anyway. So I don't know. That's where we're at. I'll make another update soon.